Welcome. Now let's take a look at a case study for security hardening for Android. And this is the Android mobile device. So CIS benchmark case study Google Android 7. Now here is the top page for the PDF document from January 24th, 2017. It's an 87 pages PDF document. Now control 1.15 says ensure Android device manager is set to enabled. And there are some advantages of Android device manager. This is a level 2 high severity control. Description says set up Android device manager as a device administrator. Okay. Now the rationale or the reasoning is if you lose your Android device, you could use Android device manager to find your device and also ring, lock, or erase your device data remotely. Here are the audit steps. Follow the below steps to verify that Android device manager is enabled. And there are 4 steps given here and 2 more here. So in audit, it gives you the exact steps to follow. Verify that Android device manager is enabled. And remediation, follow the below steps to enable Android device manager. Tap the system settings, scroll to personal, tap security, scroll to device administration, tap device administrators, tap Android device manager, and tap activate this device administrator. Now there's a caveat, and if you actually enable the Android device manager, then the problem is that Google will be able to track your device location anytime. So that's the flip side of implementing this control. And the default value, by default, Android device manager is not enabled. And here are some references which you can look at if you want further details and you want to analyze this a little bit more. Okay, and that's all that we have for this module. Thank you.